Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a fun and crispy snack, Atta Aloo Toffee snacks. These cute toffee-shaped bites are filled with a spicy potato stuffing. First take 1 cup flour in a mixing bowl, add half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything well until the flour is lightly coated. Now add half teaspoon Kalonji, half teaspoon Ajwain. Ajwain and Kalonji adds a wonderful aroma and traditional flavor. Gradually pour in 1/3 cup water. Mix and knead into a smooth dough. Knead a soft dough so it's easy to roll without cracking. Rub a little oil over the dough. Cover it and let it rest for a few minutes. Now let's prepare the filling. Take 2 boiled and mashed potatoes in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon finely chopped onion, 1 chopped green chili, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. Add some fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Now take a small portion of the dough. Roll into a thin sheet. Trim the edges and make a neat rectangle. Cut the dough into squares. Take 1 square and place a small spoonful of potato filling into the center. Fold as shown. Seal both ends tightly to create a toffee shape. Don't overfill the potato mixture or the snacks may open while frying. Heat oil over medium heat. Cook until they turn golden brown and crispy on all sides. Always fry on medium heat for an evenly cooked and crispy finish. Potatoes provide energy and make the filling satisfying. Fresh herbs and spices add flavor without extra sauces. Your Atta Aloo Toffee snacks are ready. Crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. These bite-sized treats are perfect for tea time, lunch boxes, or evening snacks. Give this easy recipe a try and enjoy every crunchy bite with your family. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes, crispy snacks, and homemade treats.